Hey, today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm just going to have a fun video this time. I'm going to take some of my shotguns, set up some targets, and just blow stuff up. And I'm going to set up my GoPro. This is a Hero 6. I'm going to set it for 240 frames per second, so everything I shoot, we're going to show it in slow motion. It ought to be a lot of fun. I know a lot of you guys like my shotgun videos, so figured, well, what the heck, let's just have a little fun. My son hopefully will be out later today or tomorrow to shoot his shotgun and help me have a little fun. So we're going to take a look at my shotguns, but before I do that, I'm going to swing my camera around so you guys can see where I'm at, because man, I am in just a beautiful spot here in southern Nevada. I tell you, if I was 10 years younger, I'd be hiking up to some of these caves. Okay, shotguns. Got a H&R Excel. I do want to mention all my shotguns are 12 gauge. This is a semi-automatic. Got a 18-inch barrel on it. Did a review on this a couple years ago. Really a good shotgun. Ha! The old double barrel. This is a Stoeger coach gun. I'll tell you what, I've won a lot of cowboy action shooting competitions with this shotgun. Absolutely love it. Here's a shotgun you've never seen before. One of my favorites. Remington 1100 semi-automatic. This one does have a magazine extension. Magazine holds 7 rounds, 1 in the chamber. I use this one mainly for small game. In fact, that's what I'm doing out here today, hunting rabbits and making a YouTube video. So life is really good, guys. So when my son comes out with his single shot, we'll take a look at that. But in the meantime, I'm going to set up some targets and do some blasting. So let's have some fun. Hey guys, finally got my son out here. So he's got his little shotgun. So son, why don't you tell us what you got there?
Well, this is an old single shot. My pops bought me this probably 10 years ago.
10, 15 years ago?
Yeah.
Actually got it at Kmart, if I believe.
I think so.
You mind?
Nope.
So what we have here is just a little single shot and break open, made by New England Firearms. I did cut the barrel down many years ago to 18.5 inches, so it does not have a bead and it does not have any choke on it. It does have a very hard butt pad. So, of course, I'm going to have my son shoot a 3-inch Magnum through this because that's always fun to watch. So, should we load it up and shoot it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Do it.
Oh yeah. Look at this beauty, huh? You ready, son?
Yep, let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Oh yeah. So my son has challenged me to hit this propane can sitting out about 100 yards or so. Now we're going to use Stumpy, and we're going to use a slug, one shot each. We're going to see who can get closest to it. Now we haven't shot at this yet, so we don't know what to expect, but you got a couple slugs?
Got a couple slugs.
Let's get the camera set up, and we'll see who comes closest to this propane can.
All right.
All right. Pretty windy out here. You ready?
Yep, let's
Go
give it
ahead.
a shot. I didn't see it, but that kicked like a bitch.
Yeah, I couldn't quite see it either, but we'll probably be able to slow down the video and see it.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess it's my turn, huh?
Your turn.
Okay, my turn. Woo!
Oh, that was close.
That was close. Pretty good for no bead. Hey, one thing I like about this shotgun, automatic ejector. All right, let's shoot something else, son.
All right, guys. My dad wanted me to shoot a 3-inch Magnum out of this thing, so here we go. Ah! Oh! That was cool, though.
Oh, I can't stop laughing. Why don't you tell that GoPro to stop recording?
GoPro, stop recording. Look at your lens.
Oh. Well, that ought to be pretty cool, huh? All right.
All right, guys, we're gonna try that one more time. 3-inch Magnum buckshot. Oh. Oh, hold on, hold on.
Hey, son, let's see that shoulder. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, those kicked pretty good.
Oh, that's funny.
It was worth it, though.
No, better you than me. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you know what time it is? It's time to shoot my double barrel. All right, you know my son shot a 3-inch Magnum buckshot out of his single shot. So in all fairness, I'm going to do the same thing. Now, just like his shotgun, mine has a hard plastic butt pad on it, so wish me luck. Do got a little bite to it. that is one nasty cactus. Hey, starting to get windy out here. In fact, it's supposed to hit about 40-50 miles per hour winds today, so I'm going to put a few rounds through my Remington 1100, and we're going to wrap it up, guys. But I'll tell you what, absolutely love this 1100. I want to do a quick test on my Remington, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fire hopefully 5 rounds. Now my first round is going to be a standard buckshot load, and then the next 2 rounds are going to be slugs, and the 4th round is going to be a light recoil buckshot. I want to see if that's going to cycle my action. If it does, then my last shot, my 5th shot, would be just some light bird shot. But I'm just going to shoot across here, probably right in this area. That's smooth gravel. So let's check it out. All right, it did cycle. Pretty happy with that. Hey, my son and I'll tell you, we had a blast making this video. We were just out having some fun. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Check out my Patreon page, guys, because I could really use your support. Let me shoot a few rounds and get home, clean these guns. And again, thanks for watching. Yeah, and that's how you do that.